The $5,000 turning point that changed Ryan's life. Ryan was a young man living in a small town in America. His father owned a small grocery store, and his mother was a homemaker. Ever since he was a child, Ryan had dreamed of a life where he would never have to worry about money. But reality looked very different. After graduating, he landed a job that paid him about $3,500 a month. Every month, his paycheck arrived, and within a few weeks, it was gone. Rent, utility bills, phone payments, weekend outings with friends. By the end of the month, his bank account was almost empty. Then, one day, everything changed. His father suddenly became seriously ill. At the hospital, the doctor said, "We need immediate treatment, and it will cost several $1,000s." Ryan felt his stomach drop. He checked his bank account. He had only $500 saved. That night, he couldn't sleep. For the first time in his life, he realized something important. The problem wasn't how much he earned. The problem was that he had no savings. The next morning, he made a decision. He would stop chasing the idea of getting rich overnight. Instead, he would focus on building financial security first. He started saving 25% of every paycheck. His friends bought new cars. Ryan kept driving his old one. His friends went out every weekend. Ryan joined only occasionally. His friends upgraded to the newest smartphones. Ryan continued using the one he already had. People laughed at him. Some said, "Why are you saving so much money?" But Ryan stayed quiet. He knew where he was headed. Time passed. 1 year. 2 years. 3 years. Then one day, he looked at his bank account and smiled. $5,000. It was the largest amount of money he had ever saved. But the real change wasn't in his bank balance. The real change was in his mindset. Unexpected expenses no longer scared him. If his car broke down, no problem. If he lost his job, he could survive for months. If a new opportunity appeared, he was finally in a position to take it. A few months later, a friend approached him with a proposal. They wanted to start a small online business together. The old Ryan would have said no, but now he had options. After careful research, he invested. Slowly, the business began to grow. His job income continued. His investment income grew alongside it. Over the years, his savings increased. $5,000 became $15,000, then $25,000, then $50,000. People assumed Ryan became wealthy because he took a big risk, but the truth was different. Ryan started becoming wealthy the day he saved his very first dollar. He had learned a lesson that most people overlook. Wealth is not built overnight. Wealth is built through small, smart decisions repeated consistently over time. One day, Ryan shared this lesson with his younger brother. His brother asked, "What's the first step to becoming rich?" Ryan smiled and replied, "It's not earning more money." "Then what is it?" his brother asked. Ryan answered, "It's teaching your money to work for you. Because true wealth isn't a luxury car, it isn't a huge house, and it isn't the latest phone. True wealth is the peace of mind that comes from knowing that no matter what happens, you have choices. And the day a person gains financial options, that is the day their journey to financial freedom truly begins."